Well, right now I'm playing minutes, so I don't really have to do too much outside of games to stay in rhythm and stay in shape. But when I'm not playing, I invented my own conditioning drill called the grinder, and that's what I do to stay in shape.
Can you describe the grinder?
Can't, you just have to see it. It's impossible to put in words. I'd have you here all night trying to explain it.
Is it anything like the sandwich?
It partially inspired by the New England term for a sub, which is grinder. You know, and then also because it just grinds down.